And the way that I see it right now is companies that are actually using AI tools, whether it be yours, whether it be, ChatGPT or some of these other more niche ones, they they're making incremental optimizations to their ops. And I'm sure from your perspective, you'd say, we're making CX teams 2x or 3x as good. But to me, it's kind of like incremental optimizations where I see like in the next few innovation cycles of AI, it's going to start to get really serious where companies who are willing to actually adopt this into their ops are going to be able to make huge gaps in competitive advantage. But I'm curious, like, do you see any other AI tools as like really breaking out from the crowd? Because you see these charts where it's like the
Mhm.
AI landscape in this vertical, you've got these 10, in this
Right.
vertical, you got 20, in this, and everyone's talking about ChatGPT at the end of the day. So I'm just curious, like, what other tools other than yours are you really interested in, and how do you
Yeah.
see the space helping businesses?
Yeah, I mean, everyone's talking about like Chat and GPT because like pretty much all these tools are built on top of open AI, right? And so like I guess let's be clear when we talk about AI companies, like 90, I don't know, probably 99%, 95% of them are built on top of open AI. And so no one
Yep.
actually has their own, AI team. It's more so like full stack engineers or front back end engineers that can, fine tune and better prompt these models within OpenAI. So like we're on GPT-4, that was released probably, I don't know, a month ago or so. And, the industry is moving so quickly. I think really when it comes to AI companies right now, a lot of it's around distribution. So like obviously it's an easy win for like Notion or, ClickUp or any of these other like larger organizations to just roll out an AI kind of tool set for their existing customers. That's a no brainer value add for them. And then when it comes to like standalone type of AI companies, I mean, Jasper, just their timing was incredible. The B2B copywriting tool, and they scaled like crazy. And I know Dave and JP and their whole team there, and it's just amazing to see what they've accomplished. But I think if you were going to start like a Jasper today and scale that fast, it'd be like near impossible because like that market in particular of like copywriting has gotten hyper competitive. So we'll see. I mean, I think there's a lot of opportunity to be had. I don't know like what the kind of venture scalable businesses are going to be yet. Like, Jasper raised a big round. They're probably like the best capitalized writing tool out there right now. But we'll see. I mean, but at the end of the day, all of them are built on like OpenAI or similar models to that.
Totally. Totally. Is it on your roadmap at all to work on a derivation of, a GPT model and kind of create your own that's bespoke to CX? Or, I'm sort of a layman coming in asking that, but like just curious if that's on the roadmap at all.
No, I mean, I don't think it's going to be on anyone's roadmap, right? Because like the cost to use OpenAI's API is so cheap. I mean, you're talking about like a third a cent. And so the way that they price their product, and they recently like dropped their pricing, it's not going to make sense for you to have your own AI company unless you have like a very, very unique data set. And even then, with that data set, you might still use their models. And so I think the way that they've priced their products is very smart. They're really going for a platform play.